Hey, kia ora, Helen Brahms here, coming to you live from Sun City in Arizona. Hope you're all having a super fantastic, sparkling, shake it up Saturday. It has been an amazing day. It is hot. We're at 106 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Celsius. And I tell you, I cannot wait for Thursday to come when they put those screens on the windows. Oh my gosh, I am so looking forward to Thursday. There's only 5 sleeps to go, and I get the screens put on. This dealing with this heat with just one AC unit is. But anyway, we'll talk about that in a moment. How was your Shake It Up Saturday going? What did you do today to shake up your Saturday, to shake up your life, to step outside your comfort zone? I know there were about 90 people that joined us today on Media Magic that got their Saturday shaken up a little bit. So congratulations to those that joined us on the Media Magic workshop. It was an incredible day with great information, a lot of great input from different people and everything else. And the breakthrough zone was awesome. Can't talk about what happened in the breakthrough zone because that is confidential. But let me tell you, it was an incredible day, and watching businesses be transformed during the breakthrough zone is just amazing. Light bulbs going off. Love, 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 love that. So that finished somewhere around like 2:30, I think it was, which I am thankful for because it was before it started getting really, really hot in here. I had on my nice new sparkly top, which if you have seen the videos that I posted earlier today, that those videos were from the workshop. We were given an assignment to do. We had to go do it. So there's 3 other videos that were posted into my profile today, and those were all from challenges we were issued during the workshop. So if you want to, you can go check them out. They are on my Facebook page. They're also on my YouTube channel as well. So you can check them in both places. But that nice sparkly top that goes great with my purple backdrop, that was really cool. I just got that. It arrived yesterday, so I was really, really happy that I got that in time because I normally wear my black sparkly top, and I thought, I need an update on the sparkle. And that top was super comfortable and super cool. My black top is 3/4 length sleeved, and I would have been sweltering in that thing. But the workshop was amazing. Lots of great information learned. Having to learn to do short videos instead of my normal ones that I do each day, twice a day. That was an interesting experience. There were we had to do our videos between 30 seconds and 57 seconds. I think my first one was like a minute and a half. My second one was 20 seconds. And my third one was 52. So it took me three attempts to get one within that 30 to 57 second zone. So I was quite proud of myself for that. It only took me 3 goes, but that's okay. It's also about practice. And now they're challenged. And remember, Casey challenged me back in July of 2019 to do Facebook Lives every day for a year. And here we are, and we started on the 1st of August 2019, and here we are 675 days later. We achieved that goal of a year. We're now going for 1,096 days, which is 3 years. I know I did the math earlier. I have 421 days to go to achieve the 3-year one. Well, today during the workshop, I got challenged to do short videos as well, which are videos under or short. I don't know if I had to do them under. I don't know if I had to do the short ones, which are under a minute, or if I just had to do what's the next length up from the short videos, the ones that are less than 5 minutes, like the quick 2-minute videos, the quick videos. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to clarify that one. So be on the lookout. You will be seeing more shorter, very quick videos coming from me very soon. I just gotta figure. I'm actually gonna do a plan up. So I'm gonna do them on genealogy, clarifying some questions. So they're gonna be like a question of the day for genealogy, and we'll see if we can get those in there as well. So it's gonna be interesting to see what comes up. I've got to think about it really fast and get actioning it really fast, because if I think about it too long, it ain't going to get done. I know me, I know that. But I've been so I've got to clarify with Casey if I have to do a short video, at least one short video a day, or is it one that's less than 5 minutes, like a quick couple of minute one. I've got to clarify that. Yeah. I can't remember. Yeah, how bad's that? I can't remember. And did I write it down? I don't think I wrote it down. No, I didn't. Because that was towards the end. Yep, no, I didn't write that one down. Oops. That's bad on my part. But I will get it figured out, and we'll get those started real soon. So keep an eye out for those coming as well. So great day at the Media Magic, and like I said, learning to do the short videos under a minute. That was a good challenge. Hey, I got 2 under a minute, but they had to be between 30 and 57 seconds, and just got the one. But we're going to work on that. We're going to practice that. So you'll get my normal, regular, great adventure ones going, and then we will get the short ones going as well. So that's what shook up my Saturday, was going to the Media Magic workshop. And then, like I said, we finished like around between 2 and 2:30. And thankfully it was before the hottest part of the day. So I was able to go take the face off, switch the t-shirt out for something cooler. This is a little, you can't quite see it. It's meant to be it's meant to be a tank top, one of those swing tank tops, but this one comes down to like mid-thigh, so I can actually wear it as like a little mini dress, which is nice because it's kind of cooling and it's loose enough that it allows the air to get in there and flow around when you stand in front of a fan. It's awesome. So we went and hung out in the bedroom for the rest of the afternoon with Zeph, and started watching Lord of the Rings and fell asleep. It's just too hot to stay awake. It really is. And even though we're sitting in the bedroom where it's the coolest thing, it's still like 90 degrees in the bedroom. So I'm wanting to go for a drive, but I know the car has been sitting in the hot sun since around lunchtime, and so it's not going to be much cooler in there. So I'm probably going to have to go out and start it and let it run for a few minutes to get the AC going and get some of that hot air blowing out. Although I have cracked the windows on this. And maybe we'll go for a drive. Go for a drive and get an ice cream. It sounds like a good plan, actually. Get an ice cream. No, we don't need ice cream. Delightful as it sounds. I actually have watermelon in the refrigerator, and I love nothing like cold watermelon on a hot day. It's just something refreshing. It wakes you up. It cools you down. Absolutely love it. So when I finish this, I'm actually going to go and pull it out, and it's actually a real one. It's not one that's previously cubed. I got to cut through that skin, so I'm sort of like thinking, yeah, I don't think I've tried that in Europe yet. I don't even think I have a knife big enough. I'll figure it out. If I've got a shorter knife and I just got to go around a few times and try and twist it, we'll figure it out. It will be we'll figure it out. It's not a problem. It's going to be awesome. Although I'll probably sit down and eat like half of one, but it's about this big. So, and it's a seedless one, so it's more rounder than long. So I'm thankful I only have 5 sleeps left to go until the solar screens get attached to the outside of sparkles, which is going to help immensely with the heat inside the RV. So looking forward to having that done in 5 sleeps. So Thursday afternoon between 1 and 2, they are going to be, between 1 and 3, they're going to be installing the screen. So I am super, super excited. And that was their first available date. But I'm just sort of like, if you guys can do it earlier, I'll be happy to have it done earlier. It's not a problem. So Zeffy's conked out on the bed, and we're probably going to go for a walk in about an hour when it's cooled off a couple of degrees. But at least the wind's blowing, so it makes it more bearable. But when we go out at 7 o'clock at night, the sun's down well enough that there's a lot of shade to walk through, and you've got the breeze. Yes, it's still stifling hot, but that breeze does break it up and makes it more bearable. So I'm off to have some ice cold watermelon, and let us know in the comments below what you did today that shook up your day. If you attended Media Magic Workshop, what were your thoughts of the day? What were your takeaways from it? What did you have fun learning? Did you step outside your comfort zone with doing those little videos that we had to do? Let us know in the comments below. So we are going to put a wrap on today and go and cool off with some watermelon, and maybe we'll go for a drive later on. I don't know. See if he likes going for a drive in the car. She likes heading to, when we come back from a walk, she goes over towards the car, so she's missing her drives. Anyway, we're out of here. Have a super fantastic sparkling evening. If you are watching this on YouTube, please click the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and if you want notifications about when we put up new material, then please just click the little bell to be notified. Have a super fantastic sparkling weekend, rest of your Shake It Up Saturday, and we will catch you guys back here tomorrow for Serenity Sunday. Hei konara.